Here is the PP-S2 series box. Unpack the box and check the accessories. Remove the battery box from the package. The following spaces around the system must remain empty. Use wire stripper to strip the negative wire insulation layer to a suitable length. Insert the wire into the negative terminal. Insert terminal into negative PV connector and lock the nut. Use wire stripper to strip the positive wire insulation layer to a suitable length. Insert the wire into the terminal. Insert terminal into the positive PV connector and lock the nut. Place the base on the ground. The distance between the base and the wall should be 22 millimeters. Use a screwdriver to adjust the height of the bottom support leg. Use a level to confirm whether the base has been leveled at all four corners. Use lifting handles to remove the battery box safely. Make sure the lifting handles are properly connected, with steel washers tight against the box. Place the first battery box onto the base. Install the rubber stopper on both sides. Attach the connection pieces between each box for stability. Repeat this process until the second to last battery box is stacked and installed. Determine the installation positions of the wall mount plate and sheet metal brackets. Drill 10 mm holes to install the wall mount plate for an inverter. Insert a plastic expansion tube. Secure the self-tapping screw with a screwdriver. Drill to 10 mm holes on both sides of the battery. Fix the sheet metal brackets on both sides. Stack the high voltage boxes and attach the connection pieces between each box. Install the metal bracket behind the inverter. Hang the inverter by fitting the metal bracket into the wall mount plate. Secure the connection plate on both sides. Install the connection plates. Before starting, make sure all switches and circuit breakers are in the off position. Secure the PE cable tightly to ensure a safe grounding connection. Follow pork mark to plug PV connectors in order. Ensure all PV connections are secure and properly locked. Loosen the press nut on the waterproof connector and remove the seal. Strip the wire insulation layer of each AC wire to a suitable length. Thread the wire into the holes. Attach the terminal to the cable. Crimp it securely using pressure line clamps. Use a head screwdriver to tighten the screw to 2.5 N.M. Tighten the press nut on the connector. Install the single-phase power meter. According to the T568B method, crimp the meter communication network cable. Connect pins 8 and 7 of meter communication cable to AC meter 485A and AC meter 485B of systems.com ports. Follow terminal port mark connect single-phase power cables. Check the arrow inside the CT and install the CT sensor connected to port. The white cable of the CT connects to pin 5 of the meter. The black one connects to pin 6. The CT arrow shall point to load's direction. Strip the wire insulation layer to a suitable length. Strip 11 mm from the cable end. Use brown cable as 485A, white cable as 485B. Loosen the waterproof connector's press nut. Remove the seal. Insert the communication cable into the hole. Check the terminal 7485B and 8485AR 4-meter communication port. Insert the terminal into the wiring seat. Tighten the nut. The inverter has a built-in meter function. Installer can directly use a CT to do the energy management function. The CT should be clamped on the main live line of the grid side. The arrow on the CT should be pointing toward the home. The red cable of the CT connects to the CT1 positive of the COM port. The black cable of the CT connects to the CT1 negative of the COM port. Attach the waterproof cover, ensuring it's locked securely in place. Insert the Wi-Fi dongle into its designated port. Tighten the nut. Before powering on, check that all wiring is done correctly. Open the battery breaker cover. Turn the battery breaker to the on position. Turn on the PV switch. Turn on the grid breaker. Turn on the backup breaker if a backup load is being used. Close the battery breaker cover. Connect the Wi-Fi dongle.